How to rename files in Google Drive. First, open Google Drive in your web browser. Once you're in Google Drive, click on My Drive from the left-hand menu to view your files and folders. Now, find the file or folder you want to rename. This can be a document, PDF, image, video, or any other file stored in Google Drive. Next, right-click the file and select Rename from the menu that appears. A small pop-up window will open. Enter the new name you want to use for the file or folder, then click OK or press Enter on your keyboard. That's all there is to it. Google Drive will instantly update the file name, and your renamed file will appear with its new title. Renaming files in Google Drive is a simple way to keep your documents, photos, and folders organized and easy to find. And that's how to rename files in Google Drive in 2026.